Oh, howdy. Unit 242 again. I got one of these for Christmas. This was sold as a M-14 cleaning kit or M-14 cleaning tool. I'm not sure which. My wife got this for me for Christmas. Now, I've tried to make heads or tails of the lot numbers on this, trying to figure out a date for it. Really can't. If anybody out there has any idea, you're more than welcome to, drop a comment. You can tell by the cylinder it's heavily waxed paper, 2 end caps. I'm betting that this is maybe mid-1960s, maybe. That's just a guess. I'd like to get this open without destroying it because I'd like to donate the tube itself to the local military museum, the Florence Military Museum down on Kingwood. So let's see if we can get this open without completely wrecking it. There doesn't seem to be much of a lip to get under here, so I may end up just having to use a pair of pliers and prying it open, because you can see that just there isn't anything there to get a hold of. So yeah, it is going to be a bear to get open. There. End cap came free. Looks like it has some paper wrapping. Okay, empty tube. That looks like a simple paper wrap. Oh, look at that. Now that's interesting. What do we have here? Another simple piece of paper. Yeah, there it is. There's the breakdown tool. Looks like we have a opened end wrench on this side. Some kind of sleeve for maybe a cleaning rod. And there it is. A vintage 1960s M-14 tool. Too bad I don't have an M-14 to go with it. And interesting. Oh, you can smell the oil on it. What little bit of it is left over. Vintage 1960s M-14 cleaning tool. Cool. And there's the package it came in. Well, thanks for tuning in. See you next time.